going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Happy Saturday. Hope everyone had a great Friday night. Hope everyone has a great and safe weekend. As I tell you every weekend, don't end up on my channel. Don't do anything dumb. All right. Got a couple good clips for you. Shorter premiere, about 15 minutes. First guy, boxer, decided to run from the police in his car. Yeah, I don't remember what kind of car it was. I feel like it's one of it doesn't matter. Before I hit that play button, you guys know what to do. Do your jump kick backflips, like and subscribe. You know, all that fun stuff. All right, let's go.
The invitation. All right. Okay, Officer Cernak. Good morning.
Yes. Good morning.
All right. It is Saturday, 9:39 a.m., March 2nd, 2024. Magistrate William Burton conducting a probable cause hearing in the matter of People versus Jared Melvin Anderson, charged with count 1, police officer fleeing and eluding third-degree vehicle code. Identify yourself for the record, please.
Jeff Osmond, attorney for Jared Anderson.
No, not you, the officer.
Officer Philip Cernak, here on Township Police Department.
Okay, Officer Cernak, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony about to give me the truth?
Yes.
We testifying from personal knowledge or from the investigator's report?
Investigator's report, Your Honor.
Okay, proceed with the testimony, please.
Yes, sir. Summary of the incident was on February 29, 2024 in Huron Township at southbound I-275 in Huron River Drive. Officer Lalovich attempted to stop a orange 2023 Dodge Challenger 3 times in a marked patrol unit with emergency lights and sirens on, which failed to stop. Initially, Officer Lalovich observed this vehicle traveling southbound I-275. When the vehicle neared him, it accelerated sharply and switched lanes. Officer Lalovich was able to confirm a speed of 91 in a posted 70-mile-per-hour zone with a laser. Officer then got behind the vehicle, activated emergency lights and sirens in his unit. The Challenger accelerated away from him at over 130 miles per hour, weaving in and out of traffic. This continued for about 5 miles. At Will Carlton, the vehicle exited. Officer Lalovich shut off his lights and sirens. The vehicle then re-entered northbound 275. Officer Lalovich again attempted another traffic stop. Vehicle exceeded or sped away at 130 miles per hour for approximately 1 mile. Officer terminated the attempt of traffic. The plate had a Texas license plate of Tom William 682. Then we received a 911 call from a citizen of a orange Challenger driving recklessly at Sibley and Viney. Officer Lalovich observed it at the stop sign, reactivated his lights and sirens, at which time the vehicle sped away at a high rate of speed. Officer Henley, who was on 275, observed this Challenger traveling southbound. It lost control and wrecked in the median of southbound 275. Officer Henley and Lalovich approached the vehicle where Defendant Anderson was standing, where Defendant Anderson was by the vehicle. And as Officer Lalovich took the defendant into custody, defendant stated he was trying to avoid a traffic ticket and knew he should not have done that dumb ass shit. And then he was processed. Information was sent down to Wayne County prosecutors, and he was driving a 2023 orange and black Dodge Challenger Hellcat with that plate registered to Defendant Anderson. That's all, Your Honor.
All right, was anybody injured?
No, Your Honor, they were not.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can all agree that he shouldn't have been doing that dumbass shit. He wasn't drunk though. He just really bad decision making. And yeah, the median took out the boxer.
The court satisfied. Probable cause has been established. Can you bring Mr. Anderson to the camera, please?
I'll get him right now, Your Honor.
While they're grabbing him, I did look this guy up. He does have an impressive record. I haven't seen him. I haven't seen him box, so I don't know if, what his attorney's about to say about him is true, but his record is impressive.
Straight ahead, to the right, right into that room where my boss is at, have a seat in the chair. Yeah, right there. All right, Your Honor, this is Mr. Anderson.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, can you state your full name for the record?
Jared Devon Anderson.
Okay, calling case number 822-4704-66801. People say Minsky versus Jared Devon Anderson. Mr. Osmond, your appearance, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Jeff Osment, P45403, attorney for Jared Anderson.
Okay, argument as the bond.
Judge, my client resides in a suburb of Toledo, Ohio, whereas his father lives down there in Toledo. He lives in Oregon, Ohio. They retained me right away as soon as this incident happened. I've been in constant contact with the Huron Township Police Department, who've been very forthright in carrying on conversations. My client, to my best of my knowledge, has never, ever failed to appear for court. And I think we'll be able to get this taken care of in a good manner. He's young, 24 years old. No reason to believe he wouldn't appear for court. So I'd ask the court to consider a PR bond, please.
Is he in school or working?
He works. He is actually a professional boxer. And is extremely talented in that regard. In fact, many believe him to be the next heavyweight champion of the world, and you can look that up for yourself after this to believe it. But there's no reason to believe he would never appear back in court. His father's been in constant contact with me, and
well, given the family support, the fact that the retained attorney bodes well. Officer Cernak, do you have any bond recommendations?
Your Honor, our Detective Bureau is requesting some type of a cash bond, preferably 100,000, 10%, only because of the 3 times he did flee from the police. He had a passenger in the vehicle, and he lives in Ohio, so we just want some type of guarantee he'll show up in court.
Yeah, I agree with some kind of cash bond. I mean, do I think he's a flight risk? No, but he was going really fast, 130 miles an hour. He is lucky no one got hurt. He is very lucky, and I'm pretty sure a judge is going to tell him that.
Okay. Well, the fact that he's retained counsel on the case, fairly notified, and based on counsel's representation, I don't have any doubt that to make sure his client will appear in court. I'm going to give him a $10,000 personal bond with the following conditions. He can travel to and from Ohio for this court case. And regardless of his driver's license status, while his case is pending, no driving whatsoever, no driving. I don't see a need for a GPS tether, given the nature of the offense. Probable cause conference is March 13th. Preliminary examination is March 20th at 34th District Court. I'm sure your well-able attorney is going to speak with you and make sure you get to court for your court dates should be properly prepared. Any questions?
Judge, do we
No,
know
thank you,
what?
Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Judge. Do we know what judge it'll be in front of in 34th District?
That I do not.
Okay. Okay. Well,
I just know the court dates and the court.
okay.
I just know it won't be me.
Okay. Can somebody tell me how his father goes about picking up Jared? Does he go to the Huron Township Police Department?
Yes,
where
and
he's
you know what,
located?
Jeff, when we get done here, because the judge is busy, I'll give you a call and I'll explain everything to you.
Okay. Thank you, everybody, so much. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you. All
Have a good-
right.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Yeah, judge seems to be in a good mood today, at least until up to that point. The next case he had was really rough. It was, really rough, involving a child, and anyways, next case, just a little bit of attitude from a defendant, for us to, laugh at, I don't know what to say. Anyways, I do want to say last night you guys are all awesome. Thank you so much for the all the PMs checking on me. I'm okay. I'm okay. Just we all have bad days, right? And I probably shouldn't have gone live. I probably shouldn't have. That was a bad decision. But, you know, we all have bad days. Anyways, this is the next case. Let's go.
Montana Pierce. Mr. Pierce, the last time we saw you was December 13th of 2023 on a drug paraphernalia possession from December 12th. We gave you the 2 days jail credit and you were ordered by Judge Henderson to come on the first business day after you got out of jail on the balance, and you didn't come see me. What happened?
I didn't have a ride and I was broke, so I didn't want to go.
So it's been,
Couldn't make it over there.
huh?
I couldn't make it over there.
Well, but River Road, I mean, 42, where you live in River Road's not that hard to get downtown. It's just a straight shot, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so do you think that's making a good faith effort since 3 months have gone by? That was a question.
could you repeat that, please?
Do you think you made a good faith effort to come to court?
No, I did not.
Okay, now talk to me about your source of income. How do you make money?
Little here and there jobs.
Do you consider yourself too poor to pay the fine?
Yeah,
How do you get food stamps?
no.
Like when you have small jobs, what are they?
Might be remodeling a room for somebody at a house, cleaning out
When's the last time you had a real job?
in Lubbock before I moved back to Amarillo.
Are you from River Road? I didn't hear you answer.
I mean, sorta.
Where'd you go to high school?
Randall High School, Amarillo High School, Clarendon High School, Premier, all over.
So that address on River Road, is that your parents' address?
It's actually where my mom died.
So do you not have any remaining family?
Not hardly.
Where's dad? Where's your dad?
Been dead since I was 3.
Okay, so is that,
Yeah, these are some interesting questions from the judge. But yeah, maybe that's why he has an attitude. I forgot about that part, but yeah, this is where the attitude comes out.
so you really don't have parents that are looking out after you anymore? Do you live alone or do you have roommates?
I have roommates.
I'll find that based on what you said, you're too poor to pay it. You are, although you didn't make a good faith effort, and a young guy like you could have without any undue hardship. Therefore, you're remanded on what is now $156. I already gave you the $150 for today. And so after tomorrow, you'd be time served. So you might get out Monday. So when they stopped you, you got these tickets. Failed to display your driver's license. That fine range is $100 to $200. Court costs are $81. Do you have a driver's license that you could bring to show me?
I don't have the actual card.
Did you ever get a driver's license?
Yeah, it's
But-
valid. My license is valid,
Okay,
but I don't have a driver's license card.
so you lost it.
I guess you could say that.
Okay, so you're welcome to plead not guilty and come and see me, and we would give you extra time to get that because you apply for a new license. They send you a duplicate. Do you want to plead not guilty because you want to do that? Or do you want to plead guilty or no contest for fail to display your driver's license?
I don't have no way of paying for a new license.
Okay, so let's just talk about not whether or not you could get the new license, but whether or not you want to plead not guilty and come and see me where you
I
can.
mean, I have a valid driver's license, so I'm not guilty on that.
Okay, so this is going to be a PR bond. So when you get out of jail, I'm just going to enter not guilty. Did you have insurance on what were you driving?
It was my friend's truck.
Okay, do you think there's liability insurance on it?
I have no idea.
Okay, so let's figure out, talk to your friends, see if you've got some liability insurance on that. So not guilty on that. Failed the signal distance before a turn, that fine ranges $100 to $200. You want to plead not guilty on all of these and come and see me as soon as you get out of jail?
Yeah, I need to talk to you on that one.
Okay. So then lastly, operating a vehicle with expired plate. We're just going to enter not guilty pleas on all of them. So you're going to sit out what you still owe 146. When you're leaving the jail, you're going to sign 4 PR bonds. On the face of those PR bonds, it tells you the date and time to come to my courthouse. Now, you didn't come last time to the
And
court.
what if I don't make it over there?
Then I forfeit the
Then
bond.
I owe y'all again.
Well, you'll get arrested and we'll have this conversation again. You've got to come and see the court when you get charges. They have to be resolved one way or the other. You have to come to see the court to get a new court date, think about a trial, all of that. It doesn't happen if you don't appear. Okay, do you have any questions?
So I'm assigned 4 PR bonds and I gotta go where? When?
Well, you've got a whole nother day to sit out that drug paraphernalia possession.
Oh,
So
I'm not worried about a day.
okay, so I've already given you today, so most likely after tomorrow, you're gonna get out, but as you're leaving the jail, you're gonna sign PR bonds that don't cost you anything, but they're
Yeah,
gonna
I know.
tell you the date and time to come to my courthouse, and the deputy in the back gives you a map with directions. Okay,
Okay.
all right, thank you. You can return to your pod.
All right, that's all I got for today. I'm gonna try to do an early live tonight since I take Saturday nights off. So I'm gonna try to. Hopefully, I'll at least put out another video if I'm not live. But thank you all for coming. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do so. If you haven't done your jump kick backflips yet, please do so. Till next time, bye.
Chantel, pray.